Hello, I'm Alan Snyder, and I'm the CEO of NowSecure. So one of the things that I think is really important about mobile, and when companies look at their mobile risk, is understanding the different categories of mobile. The first category we look at is the apps that you build. Those are typically the flagship apps. Those are the apps that are part of a digital transformation project. Those are the ones that people always start with first and foremost, and we would agree with that. But then there's the second category, which is what I call approved for use. Those are apps where you didn't build the app, but you are putting critical and sensitive data in those apps about your customers and about your company. Well, those also need to be safe and secure. And then the third is BYOD apps. Those are apps that your employees or customers have co-resident on their devices that are connecting to your network and that are next to your super sensitive and secure apps. Our view of the world is that you need to understand the security profile of all of those. Now, with that said, we understand that each of those presents different risks. So your top tier apps that you build, flagship apps, those are your risk level 1 apps. You absolutely have to secure those at a higher level than the BYOD apps. But that to me is what good risk management is all about. It's understanding all of the apps that are in your environment, assigning an appropriate risk profile, and then assigning the appropriate security measures to the risk profile and moving forward in that way.